The Peep Pets chain of pet stores is growing. The table below shows the number of stores in business each month. Number 1. According to the table, how many new stores open per month? Okay, so if you look at the table, from 0 to 3, that's an additional 3 stores. 3 to 6 is adding 3 stores. 6 to 9 is adding 3. 9 to 12 adds 3. And 12 to 15 is adding 3. So, that's our answer. 3 new stores open each month. How many stores will be in business by December? Well, if you continue the table, July, August, September, October, November, December, adding 3 each time, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. You have your answer, 33 stores. What is the slope of this function? Interpret the meaning of the slope. Well, the slope is what's happening each time in this situation. So it's adding 3 each month. This is a special word. Per, each, and every indicates slope. So the slope is 3. And interpret the meaning of the slope. Well, it's the same answer as previously. 3 new stores open each month. Jeremy collected the following data on stacking chairs. Write a linear function, should say function, just one function, that models the data. When you're writing a linear function, you want to kind of work the table backwards, so the height goes in front of the equal sign. So the height equals, okay, so we're putting this kind of in the form y equals mx plus b, slope-intercept form. Except instead of y, we're going to relate it to the real world situation. So it's going to be h equals, okay, we got to find the slope. From 30 to 33 is adding 3. And from 1 to 2 is adding 1. The slope is a fraction with the circled number on top, so 3 over 1. Y value always goes on top, but 3 divided by 1 is 3. So I've got 3. Instead of x, I'm going to use c for chairs. Okay, so 3c. Now we have to get the value for b. So here's the quickest way to do that once you know your slope. Take the first point, 130. You're going to take the x value times your slope. So this 1 times 3 equals 3. Then you're going to figure out how to get to the other number. So 3 plus what equals 30. So the answer here would be 27. You're adding 27. So that's what you have to do each time after you get that other value. So this is the function. Actually, it's more of an equation than a function, but that's the equation that you want. Okay. Chairs cannot be stacked higher than 5 feet. What is the maximum number of chairs Jeremy can stack? Justify your answer. Justify your answer just basically means to show your work. However, you have to be careful because if you look at the table carefully, it's in inches. And we're talking about feet here. So you got to, first of all, before you do anything, change that to inches. So there's 12 inches in a foot. So 5 times 12 is 60. So we're talking about 60 inches max. So if the maximum number is 60, you're going to put a 60 over here, and then the rest of the equation after the equal sign stays the same, 3c plus 27. Now you're just solving, and remember, justify your answer means show your work. So you're just solving for the number of chairs, the c value. So the first thing you have to do is subtract 27 on each side. So when you get that, you get 33 equals 3c. This is 3 times c. The opposite of times is divide. So divide both sides by 3. 33 divided by 3 is 11. So the maximum number of chairs is 11.